Hi to you all, my name is François Parlant and today I'm answering Nick's questions about how to help his students remember how things are organized in a balance sheet. That's an accounting questions, and a normal quiz isn't enough because they need something visual to remember where to put things. And the second question is how to make that with buckets. That means that people can put things in whichever order they want. It will be counted as correct if it's in the right rectangle over there. Let's start. First thing first, you need a background image for your quiz. Here I've set up a PowerPoint and I need to get an image of this part. I'm going to use here in the magnifying glass something like snipping tool. I'm going to open it and then I can do new, and I'm going to take this part of the image. Once it's done, I just click on the diskette here to save it, and it's gonna be called Capture PNG, and I'm going to reset it. Perfect. Now you can go to your question bank, click Create a Question, and choose Drag and Drop Markers. I double click to open it quickly. Here you need to give a name. Here it's gonna be balance sheet. Okay, you need to ask a question, set the items at the right place. Okay, done. What we need now is go down, because what we need is to put here our background image. Just drag and drop the image from your Explorer somewhere. I'm just gonna click here and put it there, and here you can see your image. You can see that here you've got little squares. Each little square is equal to 10, and the big squares are 100 each time. Let's go to the markers. I'm going to create one called inventory, and I'm going to create one called investment. Okay, how many times can I use each of them? Well, I think one is quite enough, so that will be it. And then you can go down and we are going to draw our first zone. Here what I want is a rectangle. Now let's check the coordinates. It's a little tricky. That's the only difficult thing, and we're going to do that together. I go to my picture and I'm going to click where I want the rectangle to start here. Can you see at the bottom X and Y? So those are the coordinates. Let's do something easy. It's going to start here. So that's 10 and it should be 80. Okay, that's the first part. So I want the rectangle to start at 10 and 80. Look, I've put a comma in between and I'm going to do a semicolon. Now, what I want is the size. Now that I've set the beginning of the rectangle, I want something like 100 vertically and 200 horizontally. Let's see how it works. I'm going to try 100 and 200. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Oh, it's wrong. It's on the other side. Here it's 200 and it's 100. Now, does it look good? Yes, quite enough. Maybe a bit too big, but that'll do. Now, if I want to put the marker inventory there, I'm going to put that coordinate. And I can reuse the same coordinates for another marker, which makes that a bucket, because all will have the same coordinates. And then you can create, oh, I need to put that as a rectangle. Now you can see that when you take the markers, you can put them wherever you want in this area. It will be a right answer. So actually you just need to draw the first rectangles and it's going to be easy. You just have to copy and paste the same things. Let's do another one. I'm going to do the one underneath. Where does it start? Let's say it starts here. So that's 10 and 200. Okay, 10 and 200. 10 semicolon 200, that's the position of the upper left side of the rectangle. And what is the size? Well, it's easy. Let's do the same as before, because that's almost the same size. And you can go there. You've got another one, maybe a little bit too big, but that's okay. Once you're happy with your rectangles, check last time here if you've put everything in one use instead of multiple or infinite, and you go at the bottom and you save changes. Now let's look what it looks like. I click here on preview. Well, looks nice. I'm going to put things here, let's say inventory over there. Investment, I really have no clue, let's put it there. Intangible assets, oh my god, I don't know either. Maybe here. Land here. Less accumulated there, and maybe that here. No idea. Let's submit and finish. Well, my answer is partially correct. 4 have been correctly selected. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Next time I'm going to try and walk you through another way of creating a quiz, not only to target the visual memory, but also to target the way students understand the relationships between items. See you soon. Bye bye.